Okay, so our next problem, also taken from the previous video, the digits anyway. Okay, Sophia is raising money for Harvester's food pantry. So far, she has raised $85 and $70 or $85.70. For her school to win the charity competition, they need to raise 14 times that amount. What is the school's goal amount to raise? So, pretty straightforward, and again, not the contingent or lesson of how to know it's multiplication, but it is multiplication. So, let's talk about this reasonability again. So, looking, okay, nearest whole number. Okay, only for the decimal one at this point. So $85 is closer to $90. And so 90 14 times. Okay, this time we'll go ahead and do the box method as a review from the previous choice. So we have 90 times 14. Okay, 900, 360. Add those together and you get 1,260. So we know that reasonably, okay, it should be close to that. Okay, so if we get an answer extremely different, we need to check our work again. This is sort of a baseline. So instead of doing your work twice, you're estimating to decide if it's reasonable, and then again we will place the decimal later to decide where it would go reasonably instead of a trick. So this time we are going to do the entire 857. I'm going to leave that 0 off for, well, I'll put it there. Okay, so 857 times 14, technically 8,570. So we're going to do 8,500, and then I'm going to put the 70 on the end there instead of having that 0. And then again, we're multiplying this factor by 14. Okay. Okay. And again, we need to add all of these up. Oh, darn. Oop. Happy accident. Okay. So right away looking at this, you might think, oh, well, that's not close at all. What did I do? Okay. Instead of starting over, I want to take this as a teachable moment, and then technically we should have, we technically should have included these. This is not closer to 90, it's closer to 9,000. So then if we did that, this would put 2 zeros on the end as well, making it 120, so 126,000. Okay, and those are pretty close together. All right, so now though I need to go back and I need to think, where would my decimal go reasonably? If they need to raise about that amount, 14 times. Okay, about right here. Okay. So their end goal should be $1,199.80.